Hey everyone, for this video we're diving into how to make quick grammar and spelling fixes directly in ChatGPT Canvas, all without leaving your page or switching to any tools to help out with any issues in the drafts you're doing. So let's get right into it right now. So first up, let's go first with the Ask ChatGPT method. If you still don't know where it is or how would you use it, don't worry. It is different from using the regular chat. It depends. It would be useful. So for now, let's go with the Ask ChatGPT. Let's say you could highlight like a sentence or a paragraph or a whole text, or you could just click this one right here. And this pops up, edit or explain, and there's the send button. And here's my prompt that I could ask. It could be more specific. Here's what I would ask. Mind if you check for any grammar or spelling issues in the sentence or paragraph or anything. Yep. Let's send. All right. As you can see right here, it just automatically right here just provided like a clean corrected version instantly. See? Even though like without any follow-up, like ChatGPT knows what are the issues here is. See right here? Let me show you the changes. See? As children's, that is the wrong grammar. It's children. See right here? They're exposed, not double S, single S. See? Basic right here. All just a quick clean sweep with that option. Or if you could go with a quicker method, I will show you with this one. So let me just select another one like this. So instead, oh, hold on, there we go. I could select this one, then go down here to the pencil icon to the bottom right corner. Then if you could go up to this one, to this brush. Yep, not this one. My apologies. Just the brush icon, add final polish. Once you click this, it automatically turns into a send button. Just click, and there we go. ChatGPT does the work for you in an instant. See? No additional time, no complications. It's just easy and very helpful at the same time. So overall, whether you're polishing an email, a story, or class notes, these two methods make cleanup quick and easy right inside ChatGPT Canvas. All right, so that's about it. If you find this video helpful overall, don't forget to subscribe to get you notified whenever we post a new video. And also, smash that like button. That will help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Catch you next time, everybody. See ya!